Did you know Brazil has the largest Japanese community outside Japan with approximately 2.7 million people? And right here in Sao Paulo, Brazil, there is a district which is basically like a little slice of Tokyo. Welcome to Liberdade. In this video, we'll explore its fascinating history, vibrant present, and the challenges it faces in 2025. Plus, some surprising numbers along the way. The story of Liberdade actually starts in Japan. Poverty and overpopulation pushed thousands to seek new opportunities abroad, and Brazil, having just abolished slavery, needed workers for its coffee plantations. In 1908, the chief Kasato Maru arrived in Brazil, bringing 781 Japanese immigrants to the port of Santos. This marked the beginning of Japanese immigration to Brazil. And over the following decades, a lot of Japanese immigrants settled in Brazil, with many coming to Sao Paulo state in Brazil. But before it became home to Japanese immigrants, Liberdade was known for its gallows and prisons. The very name Liberdade, meaning freedom, is tied to a dark past of executions and enslaved people seeking liberty. By the early 1900s, the area was poor and overlooked, which is exactly why immigrants could afford to settle here. Japanese families often lived in basements. Conditions were harsh, but they brought with them their culture, rice, miso, martial arts, and traditions that slowly shaped the neighborhood. World War II brought repression. Speaking Japanese in public was banned and many faced suspicion. But after the war, immigration picked up again and the district started to transform. By the 50s, lanterns and Japanese shops filled the streets. In the 70s, the iconic Red Toriel Gate was built, and festivals like Tanabata turned Liberdade into the heart of Japanese culture in Brazil. And fast forward to today, and Liberdade is one of Sao Paulo's busiest neighborhoods. On weekends, the famous street market is the first thing you'll notice. Food stalls sell takoyaki, sushi, and even Brazilian Japanese fusions like pastel filled with yakisoba or something, or even sushi burger. And of course, I decided to try something new. So I've actually never tried this mochi. Let's see. It is kind of weird, like looks like I'm eating some flour not baked. Yeah, it's not bad. And while it did feel a bit weird to me at first, I ate another one right away and yeah, I did enjoy it. And while there's a lot of street food, there are also some great restaurants, Asian of course. And I went to one of them and I ate this gidon. I'm not sure, please don't kill me for my pronunciation, but it was only about $10 for this huge portion, and yeah, it was so tasty, so delicious, and in my opinion, like this portion for only $10, actually even less than $10, is really good bargain. Oh, and by the way, I also bought a lot of stuff from the grocery store, so if you wanna see my reaction and what do I think of such kind of food, please subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And beyond food, there are manga shops, Asian bookstores and K-pop stores. While Liberdade started as mainly Japanese, it's now pan-Asian, blending Japanese, Chinese and Korean influences. And of course, festivals are huge. The Tanabata Star Festival, New Year and even cosplay events bring massive crowds every year. For many visitors, Liberdade feels like stepping into Tokyo without leaving Brazil. And it's not just restaurants and shops. Liberdade is famous for its Asian supermarkets. Here, you'll find shelves stacked with Japanese rice, Korean instant noodles, Chinese sauces, and even imported matcha chocolate. Another surprise, skincare aisles filled with Asian beauty brands. From Korean masks to Japanese sunscreens, these markets are a go-to spot for anyone into J-beauty and K-beauty trends. For many Brazilians, this is the only place to buy authentic Asian groceries and cosmetics without ordering online. But Liberdade is also changing. Gentrification has raised rents, pushing out traditional family businesses. On weekends, the crowds sometimes overwhelm local life, and there is also debate about identity. Some say Liberdade is losing its Japanese soul, becoming too commercial and pan-Asian. Others argue that this mix of cultures is what keeps it alive in the 21st century. And if you want to explore Liberdade yourself, here are some quick tips. Take the Metro Blue Line and exit at Liberdade station. Visit on weekends for the street fair or weekdays if you prefer calm streets. Don't miss takoyaki, matcha and other delicious Asian foods. And if you're here in July, the Tanabata Festival is unforgettable. So that's it, Liberdade, once a place of struggle, now it's a really great and vibrant cultural hub, which blends culture and modern life. From executions to sushi, from basements to festivals, and it's a story of resilience and transformation. So what do you think of Liberdade? Let me know in the comments and follow me for more interesting facts about Brazil.